Food and health. We will see how we can categorize food into different types based on their benefits. Here we can see food types. We have categorized them into 5 parts: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, water and fiber. First we will see energy giving food. Let us say you want to participate and win a running race. So you need a lot of energy and stamina. We get that energy by energy giving food. We can categorize energy giving food into 2 parts. Some foods that gives us instant energy like rice or banana, and some food that gives us energy that is stored in our body for future use like oil, ghee, almond, peanut, etc. So the first type is known as carbohydrate and the second type of the food is known as fats. The main source of day-to-day energy that gives us by carbohydrates are banana, sugar, potato, rice, etc. And the main source of fat, that is oil, ghee, nuts, butter, etc. This energy is stored in body in reserved form. Next, we will learn about bodybuilding food. They help us to grow. They help us for strong muscles. After that, they also help us to heal any damaged cell that occurs because of any cuts or wound. So, the food that help us in building body are called as protein. What kind of the food gives protein? Now let us see. Milk, eggs, pulses, cheese, fish, etc. Now let us see about protective food. All we get cold, cough, fever sometimes. Have you wondered why body is not able to protect us from the diseases? That's all about protective food. In addition, they gives us strong teeth, strong bones and also a good vision. These are known as vitamins and minerals. The main source of vitamins: fruit, milk, meat and vegetable. And the main sources of minerals: fruit, milk, vegetables, cereals, etc. Have you seen most of the children don't like green leafy vegetables? But you know they are important source of minerals like iron. If you not take it, you feel tired all the time. Now let us understand why water is required for our body. When we sweat, we lose water through the skin. So we need to regain it. Also, it helps us to digest the food. So we should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It is very essential for us. Now last one is fiber. We get it from the cabbage, fruit, etc. What does it do? It helps us to move food smoothly in stomach or intestine. To summarize, we can say all these type of the foods are commonly known as nutrients. It is divided into 5 parts: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, then water and fiber. Energy giving food is subcategorized into fat and carbohydrate. Bodybuilding food are known as proteins, and protective food divided into vitamins and minerals. You can do an activity by your own. Just make a list of your breakfast, what you eat every day, then write down the nutrients what you are getting from that. Thank you.